Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Mailchimp template. It's very easy. So all you want to do is come here on the dashboard, click on create, and I want you to click on this down arrow right here, and you'll see template. Go ahead and click on that and click on a get started right here. So we'll be designing our own email template here on Mailchimp. So we'll just wait for this to go ahead and load up. And they do have different templates you can go ahead and pick, okay, to go ahead and edit and customize and create your own template with it, right? And if you want, you can just do your own thing completely from scratch as well. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and pick some of these basic layouts to go ahead and use. So I'm picking one from the basic layouts section, and what I'll do, I'll choose this welcome one. Okay, I'll click on apply. We'll name our template. Let's just name it Answer ASAP. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button. There we go. We'll go ahead and save this. And here we can edit everything. So I picked up my logo because I've added it in my branding kit. Of course, if you want, you can always update it. You can click on the logo right here and you can change everything. Okay, you can just click on update brand kit and change your content. You can easily upload new logos and use them, okay? So I'll click on done right here. That's perfectly fine. So let's say you want to go ahead and edit the entire layout. You can do that as well. So we have custom content here. You can use their pre-built layout. So let's say I want to add image and text right here. I can do that. Click here to undo. Okay, now let me click on styles and show you. So here, for email, I can change the background color to match my design. Okay, and if you want to pick out a color from maybe this image, click on this plus icon, and we have this eyedropper. Then we can go ahead and pick that up, as you can see, and click on done. Body color, we'll go ahead and pick up this color as well. There we go. Now, looks much better, right? Let's say you want to add a video on this. So this is a template. You can go ahead and edit anytime. You can go ahead and do subscribe, right? Can turn this red. We can do a lot of things. You can easily customize this. So here we have subscribe button. Okay, come click on styles. Maybe I want to change the color to red for the button, right? Let's do red for YouTube. Okay, these reds are not that great, so we'll go ahead and get our own red. So right here. All right, now that looks much better, right? Okay. So what I'll do, click on done. We'll add a link. We'll add a link to our channel. Under content, we'll paste this link right here and toggle this one on to open in a new tab. And when someone clicks on it, it will open a new tab to our YouTube channel, and they can go ahead and check it out and subscribe. Let's say you wanted to add video here. You can change this template instead of an image to video. Of course, since you're creating a template, you don't have to add the links right now. Whenever someone wants to use it, they'll go ahead and change their own logo. They'll put their own channel link. So you can remove these for now. Okay. But for the sake of the tutorial purpose, I'll just show it to you what it would look like at the end. Now let's say we wanted to add videos, right? This is a welcome channel for new subscribers. Let's say we love this video. Looks great. So I'll copy the link address, and then I'll come here and add a video right here. So I'm adding my own blocks, okay? It's a video block. So I'll go ahead and get rid of this. Don't need that. If you want to add your own image, go ahead and do that. Now here, click on this video block, paste in that URL, and you'll see the thumbnail will actually pop up. There you go. Looks much better. And you can customize everything here, guys. Anything you want. You can change the color of the text. Okay. If you feel that white would look much more visible, go ahead and pick that up, right? And then at the end, just come right at the top right, click on save and exit. Once you are done, And here we go. We have our own template. We can go ahead and edit and use anytime, right? Change the videos. Okay, any point in time you want to come here, change to a new video link, you can go ahead and do that. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.